Hello. Got a alarm for my motorcycle off Amazon. It's like $15. Installed it right there with some double-edged tape. Press it. Wait. It's activated. Warning. So it's really exposed there, but once you turn the handlebars, lock it, then you can't get to it at all. So once again, wait. All right. So, $15. You can't beat it. Lock the steering. There's no way you could get to it. Yeah, there's no way. So, feel a little bit safer out here. No garage to keep it in when I go into stores, whatever. Don't remember the name, just type in motorcycle alarm on Amazon. Alright, happy trails. Crescent City, California.